Now we discuss that wave particle duality of electromagnetic radiations. Up to this, we learned that the radiations falls on metal plate. There is emission of electrons from the metal surface. This phenomenon we have termed as photoelectric effect. Also, to explain black body radiations, there is a consideration of quantization of energy, and this fact is utilized to explain the photoelectric effect, black body spectrum, and so on. So, the interaction of radiation with the matter, we have known that the light has a discrete quantums, or we can say that energy quantums, and these energy quantums are nothing but photons. Also, from theory and experiment, the photon, we know that it has energy h nu, and the momentum is associated with it. That means photon is behave as like particles. This was the question, and the confirmation of that photon is a particle. The Compton, this was the scientist in 1924. He worked on X-ray scattering by electrons in matter. He confirmed that the photons are particles. What that experiment was? X-rays are interact with the matter, and these X-rays, they are scattered by electrons which are present in the matter. He performed an experiment that when X-rays are incident on a matter, and the scattering of these X-rays from the matter, it was recorded by this Compton with a suitable detector. He observed that the scattering, there is a shifting of wavelength. That means the original wavelength, it will be observed there in a scattering. If he measure the scattering intensity of X-rays, he observed that the original X-rays, they are scattered. But with this original X-rays, some shifting of wavelength, that means greater wavelength, or we can say that the less intensity of this X-rays, it will observe, or shifting of wavelength is observed there, and this shifting is due to interaction of this X-rays or scattering of this X-rays by the electrons, or this was the experiment which is performed by the Compton, and he made the conclusions that the conclusions are nothing but photon is a particle. That means photon has some properties. He gives that property such that energy, photon has energy with momentum. That means momentum is associated with photon with energy, and also all these electromagnetic radiations have same frequency, have same energy and momentum. That means photons of all electromagnetic radiations having same frequency have same energy and momentum. Also, these photons are electrically neutral, and they cannot affect by electric and magnetic fields. Also, we know that photons have collision with particles as like electrons, and the energy during this collision, all energy it will given to the electron, and after some time photons, they can disappear. That means in this collision process, conservation of energy and momentum is observed there, but no not conservation of photons there. Also, photons moves with speed of light. That means the velocity of photon, it should be comparable to speed of light. Also, these photons have rest mass 0. That means rest mass of photon is 0, and we know that. Also, we have learned that according to wave theory of light, we can explain the phenomenons reflection, refraction, polarization, interference, diffraction, so on. So interference and diffraction, the wave nature of light, it will be suitable for the explanation, because the slit width is comparatively equal to the wavelength of that light or radiations. because if the slit width it should be large, then this effect they will not observe properly. So for the explanation of that, we should have the wave nature of light, and we can able to explain that. Also, we know that some of the phenomenons they can be explained by using both particle nature as well as we can say that wave nature. According to particle nature, we can explain Compton effect. Also, we can explain black body radiations. Also, we can explain photoelectric effect. But there are some phenomena which can be explained by using both particle nature as well as wave nature. So, we have to consider in general that the light radiations or photons they have wave nature as well as particle nature,